middle of July, the sun is out and it is warm, so time for another trip. So I'm going to get the van ready for setting off tomorrow morning, heading up the middle of England over into Lincolnshire for a couple of weeks trip. So back to get the van ready, so let's go inside and sort out a few bits and pieces and make sure we're all set to go. What do you think this place is? Diddly Squat Farm Shop. And we all know who runs this place. Mr. Clarkson himself. Got busy even though the place is shut. Everybody comes to get their cow juice. And it's right next to the campsite. Campsite Diddly Squat. Morning campers, another sunny day. Gonna go on an expedition from the campsite this morning. I've got a booking at National Trust place, Upton House, so it's about half an hour away. So sun is out, so we're gonna set off on our way in a bit, go and see some Oxfordshire roads and hopefully enjoy the sunshine as it's warming up. So I've just come out the house. Not really my thing inside houses. I've taken a couple of pictures which I'll put in here, but now I'm going to explore the garden area.